Guys, our final problem to determine if this is, in fact, a parallelogram or not. Okay, so looking here, we have to think about one of those 6 conditions we talked about that determine if a quadrilateral is, in fact, a parallelogram or not. Or this thing might be a sneaky ninja. We have to figure it out. Alright, so I see parallel lines and congruent sides. So let's think back to those 6 conditions. Does this kind of resemble one of the properties we talked about? Well, there is a property that says if you have one pair of sides that are both parallel and congruent, it is a parallelogram. Okay, but looking at this doesn't have only one pair of sides that is both congruent and parallel. It has one pair of sides that's congruent, and then it has a separate pair of sides that are parallel. Okay, so the one that we talked about in the video kind of looks like this, which this is going to be a rough sketch. Sorry, guys. It says if you have just one pair of sides that is both parallel and congruent, then it is going to be a parallelogram. So this one was super sneaky. It's a little sneaky ninja. It kind of looked like it, but it separated the properties into 2 separate sides. Okay, so this one, unfortunately, is not a parallelogram, so we're sad. Okay, we must put a sad face because it's sad that it's not a parallelogram. So this one really tried to trick us. It was a super wannabe. It tried to play it off like it was a parallelogram, but it definitely is not. So this one's no. Sad face because we're sad. It's not a parallelogram because it doesn't have one. So one pair of sides is not both parallel and congruent. So since one side was not both parallel and congruent, unfortunately, this is not a parallelogram. So we're sad, but it's okay. We now know what to look out for to make sure that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So I hope you guys had a fun time identifying these quadrilaterals as parallelograms or not. I know I had a super fun time.